I'm gonna lose my mind over this guy. Now what do we do after we pull it out, Preach? He wants to pull that Mini Cooper in so bad. I don't understand it. This truck is already pretty clean, so this won't be bad at all. The longest part of this is really going to be the outside, especially with that dye that we're going to put on here. So we're going to get rolling and get started. Overall today will be super easy, just like any day. I'm only gonna film this Chevy because I figured it'd be a little bit different with the trim dye. We'll show you that stuff. And this thing is going to look crazy after that dye.
I mean, that is what it's saying. Alright, up to this point, we ain't really do anything, so let's get serious.
Right?
About to get fired.
You're fired. in the water main.
This is way in the water, man. What up, though?
What's up, man? Oh, man, we're done. All right. All right. See how far I have to come back.
Something different this time too.
Okay.
Inside wheel on the back axle, the whole center of it done broke right.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'll holler at you when it's there.
That hose there. Well, I gotta tape that. That's what I'm thinking. It's coming somewhere from there. That thing at one point, that bass was spraying everywhere.
Oh, we got filter on the pump though.
The best nightclub ever. It's called Work USA.
See ya!
That pokey did me, man. That pokey did me, man. Go ahead and talk to my uncle. Just like that, man. I went down there, right? And one day, man, I ain't mad, how you doing, man? Who?
Yeah. He's getting mad.
Oh, the camera's on. Hey, yo.
Oh no. Go ahead, say it.
Our friend, well, y'all friend, my brother, his nickname is. I'm so leaking that.
Think that's funny. He thinks that's funny. That's what that is. His better name ain't preach. That's all he does is preach. That's why they call him that. You know, that's why. Hey, bro. Stop wasting time. Help me with those mats. Stop wasting time. Help me with those mats. You'll have your chance. Don't worry. You know he's like a kid. I'm gonna lose my mind over this guy. Now what do we do after we pull it out, Preach? He wants to pull that Mini Cooper in so bad. I don't understand it. It is now 6:30 p.m. I'm gonna do this trim here. I'm gonna dye the trim. I'm gonna use solution finish. This stuff is really good. This is not like a dressing or anything like that. It's an actual dye. It'll dye this plastic. We're going from a very faded gray, well, black. It was black at one point. It's gray now, essentially. I mean, it's definitely gray now. So, anything that is not dyed is gonna show very easily. I'll give the final look of the entire job tomorrow morning. You see, I had to make sure I got into these screws here really deep because I didn't want a gray ring to show up. You see, I got some on the paint, not a big deal. That'll come right off, it'll wipe right up. No, I would not let it dry on the paint though. There's a few areas in here that still need to be cleaned up a little bit. This rubber stuff, like that's all very clear that it needs to be done still. But that I do like very last. That's just like the touch-up work, all the fine little details and stuff. I think last I saw, I'm at 35 subscribers, which is a lot faster growth than I expected. I know you probably hear that from every YouTuber, but I don't do it for really anything but it being fun. I just like doing it. This stuff will stay on your skin for a while. You do want to wash it off pretty quick. I made the mistake of not wearing one glove once, and I will never do that again.
When we were so young, I could never see forever. We'd go midnight driving down that lane, pretending the whole world was lame.
It's a little tricky. I can't get it perfect. I mean, a brush would help with this. But once you use a brush with something like this, it becomes very stiff, and you gotta toss it out after that because it's not usable anymore. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of squish it up a little bit here and just push the dye in there. This is all the excess that has to be wiped up. It is pretty hot still. It's been like an hour here. It hasn't taken me that long to apply this, but sometimes I get a little sidetracked with the camera and setting all this up. Don't you think it's kind of funny that they make a black dye in a white bottle? I have had a black bottle of this, which makes more sense. But that was only one time, and you don't choose the color, so. Whew. It was a long day today. It's been a long few days since Isaiah hasn't been here. Preach is good, you know, he's learning. But when you got someone who's been doing it for years with you, it's a little different. He'll be back on Monday. It's not really a huge deal. It's just some much needed talking, I guess is what you could call that. Although it wasn't much talking. But, you know, he needed a break. That's what I got out of it. And that's what he got. A break, a nice break. can get a little sneak peek of what we did with this one. Full detail maintenance. Came out really good. Got a spray wax on there right now just to keep it going. We put a paste wax on it and now it's got the spray wax. So that's back in there, ready to go home. We can't leave until we do a quote. I've lost track of the quotes, what I've already said and haven't said. But I'll pick one here and kind of just tell you guys what it means to me. It's coming. The hard work and wait isn't punishment, it's preparation. Keep working hard. You're preparing yourself for great things. And that's gonna do it for today's job and today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. See ya!
See ya!